we present the project Artificial Intelligence Data Kit 2030. The specification of a data kit designed for artificial intelligence is based on analysis of prominent large language models and datasets, study of trustworthy research, starting with the European Language Equality Reports and Findings, and expanding to scientific publications, surveys, and AI strategies, and interactions with representatives from Europe's language technology and AI companies. Until recently, natural language processing required a variety of specialized language resources to create functional monolingual and multilingual applications, such as monolingual, bilingual, and multilingual corpora, and lexical and conceptual resources. Annotated corpora were often needed to enable machine learning techniques in almost all applications within the field. Unprecedented advances in artificial intelligence and the development of large language models, which enable the successful completion of the same and a much wider range of NLP tasks, set new standards for the criteria that language resources must meet now and in the near future. Large language models are trained on large datasets that contain billions of words. The concept of modern large language datasets is based on several criteria. Quantity: massive amounts of dynamically updated data that cover a variety of languages, media types, styles, domains, genres, and topics. Diversity: a wide range of sources, web pages, books, news, patents, code, images, video, and speech records. Quality: cleaned and filtered data with no reduplication or subsumption of samples and no toxic or biased content. Flexibility: incorporation of new components with the advance of technologies. Structure: data and metadata organized in a conceptual graph. And standardization: interoperability of data and metadata across all media types and languages. The comparison of the technological advances for the European languages supports the findings of the European Language Equality Project and its vision for the importance of high-quality language technologies for all European languages.